We've all seen it in recent years where car manufacturers tried to bring back a previous model that was hugely popular. And let's be honest, and I know a lot of you will agree, they never quite hit the mark until now. Enter the all-new Renault 5. And funnily enough, we have the original right here, Renault 5 Turbo. And I'll be honest, what usually lets car manufacturers down when they try to bring back a classic is the modern version is nothing like the car it's trying to be. All it has is the same name. However, Renault have turned the game on its head because this is absolutely spot on. First thing you notice when you walk up to it is that silhouette, and that is absolutely bob on to the original. As you get closer to the car, obviously the headlights, yes, they're a modern version of the originals, but the overall shape is absolutely perfect. There's this nice little swage line that follows through the wing, through the bumper, into the door as well. There's a nice little nod to that arch extension. As you move around, there's this as well, this trim. It goes all the way to the back end and round, which follows that exact gutter that you get on the original car. And something else I used to remember as a kid, it's giving away my age a bit now, but these lights, and then moving on to the back end. There was nothing on the road that had this shape. And yeah, seeing Renault 5 Turbos being driven by, this was the max power era, being driven quite hard, that's something I always remember with them overtaking my parents. Move around then, Nath, let's have a look on the inside. In here, it is very good. These seats are the first thing you notice. All the materials that are used in here as well is just spot on. It's so good. And then something else you notice as well is the actual shape of the dash, like this clock layout as well. Everything's just done right, it's just modernized perfectly. And I love it. And something I've noticed about Renaults, this might upset some people, but they don't always have build quality. But this like, I've driven it out here and it's just, even closing the doors, like the feel of all the materials, it just feels premium, it feels quality. Even the seats, like look at them, like, well done Renault. However, it's no secret that the modern world is a lot different to when we last saw the Renault 5. This produces 150 horsepower, an equivalent to 150 horsepower, because yes, it is EV. This is the more powerful out of the two models available. And just like the previous car, that was only 118 horsepower, but it's not about the power figures, it's about how it makes you feel. And this car gives all of the right vibes. The inside, the looks, this color, green pop, obviously there's a lot more colors on the market right now, and this has such a deep fleck to it. I absolutely love it. So I know who spec'd it here, Tom, well done. This is spot on. Absolutely adore it. The inside is just the party piece though. Obviously, yes, it is very modern. So you've got CarPlay, you've got a full virtual cockpit in there as well. You've got wireless charge for your phone, so you can chuck that in the middle and it will charge up. All the materials used as well. I love the denim. I absolutely love it. So what do we think of the all-new Renault 5? Well, it's quite obvious that I absolutely love it. All of those little details that we've quickly brushed over make it what it is. We've seen it previously with other manufacturers trying to bring back a name that's been very profitable to them in the past, and that's all they do. They just bring back a name. However, this, if you see this out on the road, you go, that's the new Renault 5, because it looks like exactly what it's trying to be. It's that perfect mix of nostalgia with a modern twist, and I absolutely love it. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've all enjoyed a sneak preview around the all-new Renault 5.